no like blow drying or flat ironing or anything. This has like, oh, you're so lucky. That's perfect. So what are you kind of envisioning today? If you could snap your fingers, what would that look like?
I'm not really sure.
Okay. What do you feel like you struggle with right now?
Tangles.
Tangles? Okay, how long has it been since you had a haircut?
I don't remember.
Has it been, would you say, like over a year? If you're dealing with some tangles, what are you using in your hair right now?
And some like coconut spray to make my hair like less tangled.
Okay. And is that all you're using in your hair?
And like a detangling brush that helps curly hair.
Okay. And then what are you shampooing and conditioning with?
Dope.
Okay. So you said you didn't use anything in your hair today, right? More so because I can smell product on there. So what that's telling me is if you didn't put anything in your hair today, that tells me that there's product that's sticking to your hair. Okay? And we don't want that because then what that creates is the inability for these curls to start to clump because it's kind of putting a little layer on top so that water can't absorb into it. So we want to try to get all that off so we can become a little bit more like these guys underneath here, right? Let's see. Shape-wise, when you look in the mirror, is this kind of like, whoa, that's too big? Or are you comfortable with the size?
I'm comfortable with it.
Yeah? Okay, cool. Okay. You're getting more tangles going on underneath, or is it kind of all over?
Mostly underneath.
I would say to make your life easier, if you're open to it and you're open to some length coming up, I say we give you like an actual cut and not like just a trim. Okay? And I'm not saying like, you know, oh my gosh, we're gonna like make it super short, but I do want to take a good amount off of your ends and reshape you. So you kind of see how you're a little bit triangular right now. How would you feel if I brought all these layers up to kind of round this out a little bit more and then kind of pick that up? Does she have curly hair too? She does not. Okay.
I'm not sure.
Okay. What would you say you're afraid of?
Like really short. I don't like it really short.
Yeah, no, I definitely don't want to take it. So I want you to still have the size that we have on it right now, but I want to take away the weight that's happening right in here. I want to condense that in a little bit so that way you have a little bit more shape going in. So if I kind of like tuck, see the difference between this side and this side?
Short. I don't like it really short.
Yeah, no, I definitely don't want to take it. So I want you to still have the size that we have on it right now, but I want to take away the weight that's happening right in here. I want to condense that in a little bit so that way you have a little bit more shape going in. So if I kind of like tuck this corner in a little bit like that, see the difference between this side and this side? This side's kind of sticking out a little bit more here, and now this one has a little bit more shape going down in here. That's more like what I'm talking about. Does that sound okay to you? What I'll do, because too, I don't know what's going to happen when I take you to the bowl and hydrate you. What tends to happen when people are very dehydrated coming in is after I hydrate you, the curls really spring up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take what I feel like I need to take to get your hair healthy. I'm going to try to keep this as long as possible. So you see how you can barely see those ends there? I'm going to take that, and then after we hydrate you, I know this is going to spring up, and then after you're dry, we can assess around the face, yeah? And see like where you're comfortable if you want to bring it up or not. One thing you did say you use is a coconut oil.
15 years.
So yeah, right? So yeah. Okay. So